name? Cole Henderson. And what's your name? Are you wearing it? Oh, he's wearing it. Cole Henderson is not wearing it. I got him.
2 no seatbelts. 2. Count him. 1, 2. Get him.
Roll down your window, sir. Roll down your window. Step out of the car. Awesome.
He's not wearing a seatbelt.
Suppose it. We're on afterwards. Yeah. You know how they're cracking down on that? 2 detentions, sir. Mr. Myers office.
You can lose your license.
Oh, by the way, parking pass handed over for a week.
Yeah. 3. Hulk doesn't wear his either. Actually, he just went into Hulk mode and ripped his. So, what are you gonna do?
Hulk's too good for a seatbelt? I think not.
I don't think so.
I think not.
I'm pretty sure God wears his seatbelt.
Yeah.
And is Hulk better than God? Maybe on a good day. Not every day though.
Yeah, there was
people on the highway.
Yeah, guys on the highway. With them? Yeah, I was like, they come down, I just line them up, like, they're all good.
Was Nelson wearing one?
I don't know. I caught Chet Walters. Chet Walters driving in. I see him struggling to get it, and I'm like, that's him right there. He's done.
I just know that it's a good day. Hey, wear your seatbelt. That's all I gotta say. That's it.
Disappointed for you. Calling your mom. Yeah, Chet. I expected better.
No. They get donuts for the
Oh, yeah. There.
I would do that.
And they flew by.
Dave Leaker.
He was like sleeping in the corner.
It's probably Mike Lee.
Just blazing.
No,
All these don't.
We didn't stop blazing, did we?
Who's your mark?
Blazing definitely had these talking to you. Did you guys get me? Yeah.
This makes Mark work too.
He stopped me the whole way.